So I was scrolling through Discord and I noticed there was a new announcement on the official Godot server. Turns out it's some really exciting news. As you can see here, Godot 4 Beta 1 is officially out. So if we actually visit the Godot website, you can actually read up a lot more on this release. That is, if we can actually access the website, since it's definitely struggling a little bit right now since everyone's so excited for this new release. But this definitely marks a new milestone towards the stable version of Godot 4, which brings in a lot of new features and improvements for Godot. I am definitely going to be checking out this new release and doing a lot of testing with it, so new Godot 4 tutorials are definitely on the way. And I'm really looking forward to some of the new features and testing them out, such as the new networking features, the new particle system, as well as the global illumination, to name a few things. With that said, what new features are you looking forward to the most? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a wonderful day.